Hello everyone, how are y'all doing today? I hope y'all are having a blessed day on today. Today, as y'all can see, I'm getting ready to make a lemon icebox pie. I have 2 cans of the Eagle brand condensed milk. I got 2 cans of that. And I also have 5 egg yolks that I'm getting ready to mix together. Y'all, I'm sorry I went ahead. I didn't know I was going to record until now. I'm sorry, y'all. But anyway, I got 2 boxes of Vanilla Wafers. I have a cup and a half of lemon juice. And I got the egg whites right there. Mix this up. Y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know I got this recipe from YouTube from a lady named Ellen's Homemade Delights. And tomorrow is our family reunion, and so I wanted to bring this to the family reunion. So I decided to shout out Miss Ellen. Hello, Miss Ellen. Okay, now I'm getting ready to add my lemon juice. Okay, here's my lemon juice. I'm going to add maybe like a cup at first. Okay. And she said that the lemon juice cooks the egg yolk. And what this lemon juice does also, it's going to help it to thicken. Y'all, this pie, icebox pie, looks so good. Y'all go over there and visit Miss Ellen. Her Medea is the one that made it for her. I think that's what they call her, Medea. Okay. Let's see how this goes. So y'all had them, look. See how the lemon juice have cooked this mixture. Okay, here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. Mix that in there. Y'all, I can't believe how thick this has gotten. This reminds me of the lemon pie that I cooks. It's made with the condensed milk also. Okay, I'll mix that up. Y'all see how easy that was? Okay, as y'all see, I have my pan that I'm getting ready to. Y'all, I forgot to tell y'all that I crushed these Vanilla Wafers. I got a bag. She said you can put them in like a storage bag or something and just beat them. And so that's what I did. I'm gonna save some for this. Okay. Okay, that's the bottom of it. I'm getting ready to pour some of my mixture in here. Y'all see how thick it has gotten? Y'all see? Okay. And I'm gonna spread this around. We're gonna make sure all the cookies are. Okay, as y'all can see, I have covered my cookies. My first batch of crushed cookies. Let me move this out the way. Now what I'm doing, I'm adding my cookies all around the sides. Y'all got to save some of my cookies. Okay. Alright. Now I'm getting ready to put some more of my crumbs. My cookie vanilla wafer crumbs. Okay, as y'all see, I have covered my filling with the rest of my cookie crumbs. Okay, as y'all see, I have put the remainder of my filling, pie filling on top. Now I'm getting ready to put the rest of my vanilla wafers on here. Like I'm doing, y'all just finished doing this. Okay, okay, y'all. What I'm doing now, this is my 5 egg whites and 1 cup of sugar. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna finish blending this up. Y'all know how to whip this up. Just keep on whipping this until it turns. Y'all, I'm getting ready to put my meringue, as y'all see. I'm putting my meringue on here. Okay, I'm gonna smooth this on here. Okay, trying to put it where y'all can see it. Okay, putting it all the way to the edges. Now I'm getting ready to put it in the oven for like 10 to 15 minutes. Okay,